Alright fellas, today's topic, we're talking about how to build your wardrobe from scratch. What's good, y'all? Steve from the Dapper Aristocrat, where every Friday we give you tips on how to look good, stand out, and get those compliments. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any new content. Now, 2 weeks ago, one of the viewers asked a question in the comments, and basically he wants to know, how do you build your wardrobe from scratch? Thanks, bro. I was thinking the same thing. And I feel like that's a great topic, and it's a topic that I've been wanting to cover for a while now. Your clothes fit into two categories. One, classic pieces. Two, you might want some clothes that are trendy. I would go with a combination of both. But if I had to start off with one, I would go with classic items. These are things that will never go out of style. And if you're a guy that's lucky enough to not have any issues with weight as far as going up and down in weight, these pieces can last you for a long time. Trendy pieces are okay to have in your wardrobe. However, when they go out of style, they just taking up space in your closet. Just like them hammer pants you used to have back in the day. So you gotta consider that, and you also gotta consider how much money you're spending on those trendy items. So number one, you have to figure out what your budget is. And if it's me, and I'm buying classic items that I want to last me for a long time, I'm considering buying these pieces from middle class to little upper class retail stores. Bro, I ain't talking about Gucci and Prada. We ain't got money like that. Products that I buy from these stores, they typically last for a while. As a matter of fact, if there's any clothing lines that you recommend, let us know in the comment section below. Now with these brands, they're a little more expensive. However, if you don't have that type of budget, then I would recommend going with clothing stores in the middle. Clothing store like the Gap is a great choice. Now, if you don't have a big budget, then you have to consider other stores. I would consider other stores such as H&M, Target, Old Navy. ASOS is another great option. Uniqlo is another option as well. Some of these stores are more fast fashion. They don't last that long at all. The quality isn't that great. So if you're looking for something right now to cover you until you're able to afford those higher tier brands, then I would go with this tier of clothing store. Now, if it were me, I would mix it up. I would go with more high brand and lower brand clothing. And that's typically what I do now. Now, if you guys have been following this channel for a while, you know the clothing brands that I usually shop from. I shop from stores like Express, Banana Republic, J. Crew, but sometimes I shop at stores like Target, Old Navy, Gap, clothing stores that are more affordable. Now, when you're thinking about what you want to choose in your wardrobe when you're building it from scratch, you got to build your wardrobe with versatile pieces. You want to get pieces that you can create different outfits with. You want to choose colors that you can pair with just about anything. Pieces that I would recommend are dark denim jeans. Dark denim jeans go with just about any color, any type of shoe. You can dress them down with a nice white t-shirt, or you could level it up a little bit and wear a nice button-up shirt with a blazer. If you want to choose another color when it comes to jeans, I would choose a pair of black denim jeans. Black denim jeans are versatile as well, just like dark navy denim jeans. Now, I personally like wearing black jeans with flannel shirts because I think they look great with flannel shirts myself. Right now, my favorite brand of jeans that fits me very well are jeans from the Gap. I like the way they fit, especially the slim fit pair of jeans, and they just look great on me. Gap is cool, but Levi worked for me. You might find that other brands work well for you. My advice is to experiment with different brands, figure out which brand works best for your physique and for your body and what you're more comfortable with, and stick with that brand. Chinos are also great. You can dress them up and you can dress them down as well. Colors that I would go with is khaki and navy blue chinos. If you had to choose a third pair, then I would go with black. My favorite pair of chinos comes from Target's Goodfella & Company because I like the way that they fit. Plus, they have a large variety of sizes, from your athletic guy, classic fit, to your slim fit. Their chinos work for everybody. They're not that expensive, and from my experience, they last a pretty decent amount of time. You gotta get t-shirts and you gotta get a button-up shirt. I would go with a solid color t-shirt. Now, you can go with a crew neck or a v-neck, but the colors that I would choose is white and black because they go with everything. Don't forget forget about navy blue. And when it comes to button-up shirts, I would go with a nice Oxford. You can wear them with your denim jeans or your chinos. They work well with either one. The colors I would recommend is white, navy blue, but if you want to go outside of those colors, I would go with black as well. My favorite type of button-up shirt to wear that's very casual is a denim shirt. I wear denim shirts to work. I wear them with a nice necktie and it works for me. Now, if you want to choose a shirt that you can wear with a pair of jeans, you have to be careful. You can't choose a dress shirt and dress it down. Dress shirts are made to have a little bit of length so that the shirt can stay tucked in. When you're dressing down, you're wearing your shirt untucked. You want it to hit at mid crotch because it just looks better that way. Now, there's nothing wrong with going with a pattern shirt. Pattern shirts I would go with is something like this. This is one of my favorite pattern shirts. My wife always gets on me about these types of shirts because I have a lot of them. You can also go with striped shirts or polka dot shirts as well. You also want to buy you a few layering pieces so you can go with a sweater. Need a list of sweaters that you can choose from? I'll link a video in the description below to kind of give you a feel of what type of sweaters are out there. Don't just think about sweaters when it comes to layering. You can also choose jackets as well. One of my favorite styles of jackets is a denim jacket, which is what I have on right now. But another choice that you could choose from is a bomber jacket. Leather jackets are fine as well. They're great for layering, especially for guys that are a little heavier and have a gut. Wearing any type of jacket will make you look slim. Shoot, bro, give me all the jackets. It takes the attention off your belly. Now, if you're choosing a pair of shoes, I would go with a shoe that's very minimal. Brands that I recommend is Beckett Seminon, Greats, and New Republic. But you can also go with a sneaker like the Nike Kill Shot. Not too minimum, but it has a little bit of color and it has a great look to it. You also gotta choose a nice pair of dress shoes. Versatility is key. I would say choose a brown dress shoe. My favorite are wingtip brogues and double monk straps. They can go with just about anything, whether you're going semi-casual to dressing up. You can wear these shoes on a job interview, wedding. You can even wear them to work. Hey man, why not black shoes? Black shoes are known to be formal. The reason why I go against black shoes is that they're not versatile. You can't wear them with everything. So that's why I recommend brown. I also recommend boots as well if you have it in your budget, but you gotta pick a boot that you're comfortable with. Bro, I'm comfortable with them Timberlands. Some guys like wearing Timberlands. That's not the boot that I would recommend if you're getting your first pair of boots. I would recommend something that is, again, versatile. Choices that I would recommend: Chukka boot or a Chelsea boot or any type of cap toe boot. In the comment section, let me know 2 of your favorite classic pieces that are a must-have in your wardrobe. Also, if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button because it helps support my channel. Shout out to all my Dappercrats out there, and shout out to MRI man for recommending the topic. Always remember to be a gentleman, stay dapper, and I'll see you guys next video.